Hi, I'm Ron Kaloji, owner of Niagara.Construction. I hope you enjoy update number 2. We started with a mid-century 1960s house that we're remodeling. It was 3,500 square feet, and we're increasing the size to about 5,500 square feet. We're keeping it within the style of the 60s, as you can see by the video. I hope you enjoyed the updates, and don't forget to like and subscribe for the I hope you enjoyed the construction update. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for future updates.